Yeah, I'm Rupa Reddy, so Director of Brilliant Technologies. We are dealing with Tally software, and we are authorized 5-star licensed partners for Tally from 2001. So 24 years we are dealing with Tally. So apart from Tally, we also deal with other licensed software solutions. So we provide cloud services and cyber security. So we are basically our head office in Hyderabad, Banjara Hills Road number 2. So if any requirement for Tally and any licensing softwares, please do contact us. You can have like our contact details. Okay, we can share that. So and coming to this INDOMACH exhibition industrial expo, so we got a very good response yesterday, and we hope today like Saturday and Sunday weekends, maybe we'll get good response from here. Yeah, thank you.